So why don't I come over to your place tonight since you don't have roommates?
Oh, yeah, no roommates here. It's just me. Okay, yeah, see you tonight.
No roommate!
What are we, chopped liver?
Since you're literally made of kitchen crumbs, there's probably some chopped liver in there somewhere.
Why didn't you tell your girlfriend about us? That hurt my feelings.
Why didn't I tell her that I live with cat hair, kitchen crumbs, and corner fuzz?
Oh, you were saving us as a surprise.
We're not a surprise. His cat's been dead for a year. We're disgusting. Listen, we've had some good times, but you have to get rid of us.
I try and clean up every week. There's just always little things that I miss.
You can say that again.
You shut up, beard trimmings.
Just use a ZeLo roller. It's the perfect stick when you need to clean up quick. It takes your home from clean to ZeLo clean. It can pick up what others leave behind. It's the perfect sidekick to any vacuum.
You don't need a newfangled appliance.
It's not an appliance. This is a ZeLo multi-surface roller by Nito. They've been cleaning like this in Japan for decades. It's from the makers of Japan's #1 selling lint roller.
I like Japan.
Everybody likes Japan.
Oh yeah, beautiful country, very clean.
Plus, the ZeLo roller's long handle can get to places that you can't reach. And the dual adhesive allows it to move from wood to tile and even rugs to pick up pet hair, dust, glass, and even glitter.
Whoa, it picks up glitter? Nothing picks up glitter. I mean, this has been here since my New Year's Eve party.
If glitter's not safe, nobody is.
And it can even get hard to clean areas like stairs or under the couch.
You can clean under a couch?
There goes my last hiding spot.
The handheld ZeLo roller grabs crumbs and dirt from smaller spaces, like your couch, curtains, and kitchen countertops.
Hey, ask my consent first.
So it picks up dirt from practically any surface quickly?
And quietly, so you don't have to worry about waking your neighbors, pets, or kids with a loud vacuum.
That's definitely why I haven't vacuumed before.
Speaking of kids, it's so easy to use and put away, even they can use it.
I love it.
So you can have a clean apartment and be Uncle of the Year.
We love you, Uncle Gary.
Aw, child labor never felt so heartwarming.
And it comes with a convenient cradle so it won't get crud all over it when you aren't using it.
That's so neat and tidy.
I can't believe there's a cleaning tool that I don't find intimidating. Wait a second. I'm really gonna miss you guys.
Go suck an egg.
Except for kitchen crumbs. He's so crabby.
I heard that.
I'm sorry, guys. You all gotta go. Oh, thank you, cat hair.
Wow, your place is clean, super clean.
I think you're the first person to ever say that.
Well, I hope you don't mind I brought popcorn.
Oh, no. Not at all. Thank you, ZeLo.
For almost all of life's problems, there's ZeLo. Go to ZeLoClean.com today and your house can be more than clean. It can be ZeLo Clean.